Hello guys, welcome back and thanks so much for watching. If you're new, my name is Yolanda and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial on two puffs. You know, this is actually a good lazy natural hairstyle on the lockdown, but me, I want to do an Instagram post, so I'm just going to share the hairstyle with you. So without wasting your time, let's get right to the tutorial. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to start by opening a line here in the middle and divide my head into two. Okay guys, so right now I'm just going to try and go all the way down to the back, but obviously my line is not going to be straight because I don't like feeling pain on my scalp. So I'm just going to open a line. Really, I don't like to feel pain on my scalp. Easy. So now you'll need a sponge there. Put it here on my hand so that it's going to be easy for me to access it after I have tucked my hair into a bun. Whips. Ooh. Okay, now the sponge is here. Now I'm just going to put it and tie my hair into a puff. On side number 2, I'm just going to do the same thing. Back and on here again and tie it into your puff. That was a fail. Let's start again. So now I'm just going to go ahead and fluff my hair using a wide tooth comb. Okay. So basically now what I'm doing is so simple. I'm just putting up all the texture so that I can have at least a nice looking puff. Guys, I'm going to go ahead and secure this puff down with a bobby pin. As you can see, like on this side, the puff is secured down, so I'm just going to go ahead and apply this bobby pin so that the puff looks like this. Okay. There you have it, my two side buns. Like, I know very well that the space buns, they're supposed to be summer hair on top, but every time when I do space buns, I end up looking like a kid, and basically I don't want to look like a child, not now. So this is what I have and I love it. So after 2 days I'm going to come back and film another protective style for a week. So I really hope that you love and enjoy the video, and if you do it, please don't forget to share the video. I love you guys and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.